This is Brennan from 3D Infotech, and today I'll be going over how to view which data points are being used in a feature measurement. Now I already have a plane feature created on the surface of our part with some stamped text on it. I'm also going to go ahead and add a flatness control with a tolerance of 0.25 millimeters. When I extract our plane, we see that it fails our flatness control. Before we write this off as a bad part, we should assess what data points are being used in our plane measurement. To do this, we go over to our tree view, and then right-click on our feature, go down to Select, and click Measure Data Points from our pop-out menu. We now see all the data points being used to measure our feature are highlighted in red. Upon closer assessment, we see that some data from the sidewalls and bottom of our stamped text is being used in our plane measurement. This misrepresents the actual plane measurement. From here, we can modify our extraction parameters to better isolate the associating data for this plane. To do this, we're going to go down to Properties, go over to our Measurement tab, and then under our Filtering dropdown, our max angle parameter we're going to change from 30 degrees to 5 degrees. Immediately, we see we pass our flatness control now. I'm going to reselect our measured data and we can see that adjusting our max angle parameter filtered out a lot of the stamped lettering data, and now we can see what data is still being used to measure our plane. Thank you for watching.